Hello and welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to source for the latest in cryptocurrency news and analysis. If you're passionate about crypto like I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update, and don't forget to drop a comment below. I want to know your thoughts on Pi Network and Ethereum's recent developments. Now let's dive into today's topic, which is Pi Network's open mainnet. A question that has been burning in the minds of the Pi community for a while: will 2025 be the year that Pi Network finally achieves its much anticipated open mainnet? The Pi Network community has long been anticipating the launch of the open mainnet. This isn't just another technical milestone, it's seen as the project's vision for creating a fully decentralized, user-driven cryptocurrency ecosystem that could revolutionize how digital assets function and interact in a decentralized world. But as we reach the final quarter of 2024, questions continue to loom large. Will 2025 finally be the year that Pi Network reaches this long-awaited goal? Let's take a moment to step back and reflect on the journey so far. Over the past few years, the anticipation surrounding the open mainnet has been almost palpable. The community, developers, and stakeholders have all expressed excitement about the immense possibilities the open mainnet could bring to Pi Network. However, the recent announcements from the Pi Core team, combined with the slow progress in migrations, have left many wondering about the feasibility of achieving this milestone by 2025. Today, we're going to look at the state of Pi Network, the challenges it faces, and the steps that still need to be taken. We'll also discuss Ethereum's recent price developments, especially in light of Metalpha's massive Ethereum sell-off. So stay tuned because we're covering a lot of ground. Is Pi Network ready for open mainnet? One of the most pressing questions within the Pi Network community is whether the network is truly ready for open mainnet. In June 2024, the core team of Pi developers made an important announcement that the mainnet node software would be essential in transitioning to open mainnet. This software is crucial because it forms the backbone of the entire network and ensures that operations on the Pi blockchain are secure, decentralized, and scalable. However, 3 months have passed since that announcement, and the community has started asking tough questions. Has there been enough progress? Many members are expressing concern over the slow pace of user migrations to the network. Over the last 75 days, only 400,000 new migrations have taken place, bringing the total migration count to 6.2 million users. While this number may sound impressive, it falls far short of the originally predicted 10 million migrations that were expected by this time. These slower than expected migrations are causing some members of the community to grow frustrated, particularly those who were hoping for faster progress. But there is another side to the story. The Pi developers have clearly chosen to take a more methodical approach to ensure that the transition to open mainnet is as smooth and secure as possible. Rushing to meet deadlines could result in bugs, vulnerabilities, or instability, which could hurt the long-term prospects of the project. By taking the time to thoroughly test the mainnet node software, the Pi development team is prioritizing stability over speed. This careful, deliberate approach should give users confidence that when the open mainnet does arrive, it will be a robust and secure platform capable of handling the demands of a decentralized, user-powered network. However, it also means that we might need to adjust our expectations regarding the timeline for the open mainnet launch. Another critical factor standing in the way of Pi Network's transition to open mainnet is governance. Governance is one of the most essential aspects of any decentralized network, as it defines how decisions are made, how power is distributed, and how the network will evolve over time. Currently, there is still much uncertainty surrounding Pi Network's governance model, and the community is eagerly awaiting the release of Chapter 3 of the white paper, which is expected to address key governance issues. This upcoming chapter of the white paper will provide essential information about how governance will be structured, including voting mechanisms, decision-making processes, and decentralization efforts. One of the biggest challenges the Pi Network faces is ensuring that the governance model is transparent and fair, while also empowering its users. Without clear governance mechanisms in place, it will be difficult for Pi Network to move forward with the open mainnet. But there's good news. Many expect that Chapter 3 of the white paper will also address other essential topics such as token supply management and how node operators will be chosen and compensated. Once this chapter is released, it could provide the necessary clarity that the Pi Network community has been waiting for. By outlining a clear governance model, the Pi Core team can show the world that the network is truly ready for decentralization and for the responsibilities that come with running an open, decentralized cryptocurrency network. Once governance is ironed out and properly implemented, it's likely that the path to open mainnet will become much clearer. However, until then, it's difficult to predict exactly when the launch will happen. Could 2025 be the year for open mainnet? Despite these challenges, there is still a growing sense of optimism within the Pi network community that 2025 could be the year we finally see the open mainnet. One of the key dates that everyone is looking at is Pi Day, which falls on March 14th. This day is significant to the Pi community, and many believe that it would be the perfect occasion for the core team to announce the official launch of the open mainnet. Of course, there are still several hurdles to overcome, including the slow migration rate and the unresolved governance issues. However, with recent progress in mainnet node software testing and the upcoming release of Chapter 3 of the white paper, it's entirely possible that Pi Network could be ready to take the leap by 2025. It's worth noting that if the team plans to make a big announcement for Pi Day 2025, we could see some significant news as early as December 2024, laying the groundwork for a potential open mainnet launch next year. Keep an eye on migration numbers, any upcoming updates from the core team, and of course the release of Chapter 3 of the white paper. If these key factors start aligning, we could very well be looking at 2025 as the year of the open mainnet. Now let's pivot to another major topic, Ethereum. Recently, Ethereum has been in the spotlight due to some significant market activity, particularly involving a company called Metalpha. As of today, Ethereum is trading at $2,356, up 0.72% from earlier this week. But here's the catch. Metalpha, a Hong Kong-based crypto management company, has been selling off massive amounts of Ethereum, and this could have serious implications for the price of Ether. In the past few days alone, Metalpha has sold a staggering 38,000 Ethereum worth approximately $90 million. On September 10th, they sold 10,000 Ethereum worth $23 million, followed by a sale of 22,000 Ethereum worth $51 million on September 11th, and another 6,999 Ethereum worth $16 million on September 12th. This rapid sell-off has not gone unnoticed, and the Ethereum price has been struggling to gain momentum in the wake of these sales. What does this mean for Ethereum's price? The Ethereum market has been experiencing some turbulence lately, and the Metalpha sell-off has only added to the uncertainty. Despite the slight uptick today, Ethereum's overall performance in 2024 has been somewhat underwhelming, especially when compared to Bitcoin. While Bitcoin has gained 31.25% year to date, Ethereum has barely budged, showing a minus 0.04% performance over the same period. Even the launch of spot Ethereum ETFs, which was expected to inject fresh momentum into the market, has failed to create the anticipated surge in price. As it stands, Ethereum is struggling to maintain its price above $2,300 and has failed to retest key resistance levels around $2,500. The volume-weighted average price VWAP lower limit at $2,417 poses a significant challenge, and unless we see a substantial increase in buying pressure, Ethereum could be headed for a dip toward $2,000. That said, not all hope is lost. If Bitcoin continues its rally and pushes toward the $60,000 mark, Ethereum could follow along. However, if Bitcoin crashes, Ethereum could face a major decline as well. The next few weeks will be critical for Ethereum, as we'll see whether it can regain momentum or whether the bearish trend will continue. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Pi Network is still on track for its open mainnet, but several hurdles need to be cleared before we can confidently say that 2025 will be the year. The slow migration rate and unresolved governance issues are key obstacles, but if the core team continues its methodical approach and addresses these concerns, we could see a major announcement as early as December 2024. On the Ethereum front, the recent Metalpha sell-off has thrown a wrench in the works, and the price of Ether remains shaky. However, if Bitcoin continues its upward trend, Ethereum could follow. Only time will tell how these two major developments unfold in the coming months. What do you think? Will Pi Network achieve its open mainnet in 2025? Will Ethereum recover from its recent slump? Let me know in the comments below. As always, please remember that cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and volatile. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching Zachy Crypto Update. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. See you next time.